Okay, so we've got our friend Chris here back after like 3 months of AWOL, and he's actually a maintenance guy where I work, and he's getting this bolt free. So explain how you did that.
You just take a flathead and you kind of dig into the side of this broken stud and tap it with a hammer so you can break it loose.
So you basically spun the stud with a screwdriver and a hammer.
Yep. Basically, once you dig into it and you get that stud broke free, you can spin it by hand pretty easy. Once you get it so far, you can get like a pair of needle nose pliers or something, which we're about at that stage now. You can just spin it out.
Spin them out.
Yeah, if you got pliers.
What do you think? Is he crazy? He's crazy. So yeah, I mean, look at this. He's actually getting this stud out that's been stuck in this car for 25 years. That's crazy. Should be labeled pliers. Oh, they're probably over on the Porsche.
Yeah, see, look. It's coming right out.
Until he gets some rust in his eye.
I might.
That's awesome. I think I got a bolt that'll go right back in there too, so I don't have to worry about it.
And there it is. Long-winded bastard.
Car wizard. Not the car wizard though. Just
Yeah, it came out by hand.
Oh my God.
There you go.
Yeah. 25 years. Nice. So we'll get that fixed. Thank you, Chris.
No problem.
What the fuck?
Hell yeah!